Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the ready-made digital object available in the visualization library to control a digital output of the PLC. For this example, I'll open the lamp switches and bitmaps category. Then from this library, I'll select a toggle switch. So let's scroll down, let's select this rocker switch and also a lamp. After placing the switch on the screen, I'll select it and open the properties panel. Now, under the variable property, let's go there, right here. I'll assign the PLC variable that I want to control. So since I have already mapped the controller's inputs and outputs, I can simply select one of those mapped variables. So in this example, I'll use output 1. Next, I'll select the lamp object and assign the same variable output 1 to it. Now, this means that when I operate the switch, I will be changing the state of output 1 in the controller. At the same time, the lamp will display the status of that output, showing whether it is currently off or on. The lamp's appearance can also be customized. So to do this, select the lamp and open its properties. And under the background section, you can choose the color used by the lamp image. Now, several predefined colors are available, including yellow, red, green, blue, and gray. For this demonstration, I'll select blue. The lamp immediately changes to the selected color, as you can see. Now, let's test the visualization. I'll log into the controller. Don't forget to put it in RAW mode. Now, when I toggle the switch, as you can see, the value of output 1 changes accordingly. Now, because the lamp is linked to the same variable, it updates automatically and reflects the current state of the output. When the output is off, the lamp appears off, and when the output is on, the lamp appears on. One very important point to remember is that if this output is also being controlled by the logic in the ladder program, such as the user PRG, the PLC logic always has priority. In other words, even if the visualization attempts to change the output state, the final value will be determined by the program logic executing inside the controller. So if the ladder logic forces the output off, the visualization cannot keep it on. Now, to summarize, the toggle switch is used to write values to a PLC variable. The lamp is used to display the status of that variable. Both objects can be linked to the same variable for control and indication, and PLC program logic always has priority over commands issued from the visualization. And this makes these objects very useful for creating simple operator interfaces for monitoring and controlling digital signals through the web visualization. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.